So streams support many operations, and that's why before we start the code demos, I wanted to cover the stream operations on a very high level. So here on the screen, we see different categories. For example, stream generating methods. Then we see the method stream and stream.off. So these two methods, along with couple others, can be used to create a stream from a source. Then we have intermediate operations, for example, filter to filter the result, map and flat map to transform the values. Peek is basically used in debugging to print some values in the pipeline. Sorted is to sort the output. Distinct is to get the distinct value, unique values. Then we have the category of truncating operations. For example, we may want to limit the output. For example, just 10 numbers or just 10 objects. Similarly, if we want to escape first n occurrences or first n items, then we can use the skip. Then we have terminal operations. There are many ways to use the terminal operations, but the most important operation is collect method with the help of collectors. So for example, after applying the pipeline, we may want to collect the output as a list or as a set. So we can do that with the help of collect and collectors. Then we have search operations, find first, find any, all match, any match, none match. So we provide a predicate, a condition, and then we try to see if there is any match, if there is an item, an element in the stream that matches the given predicate. For iteration, we can use for each or for each ordered. Now, for each, there is no guarantee, ordering guarantee in case of for each. So if we want to iterate the stream in a certain order, if this is the condition, then we can use for each ordered instead of for each. Similarly, the last category on the screen is the joining. So if we want to join the values as part of the terminal operations, so we can use joining, grouping by, same as the grouping that we do in case of SQL queries. Then partitioning by, if we want to partition the stream or the source collection, so we can use the partition by given. We just need to provide the criteria of grouping by and partitioning by in the form of lambdas or maybe some of the functional interfaces and method references. So we will see the examples of all these operations in detail in subsequent lessons, but it gives us a very nice summary of stream operations, important stream methods. That's it for now. Thank you.